Lock it down. The ultimate portable safe for travel, beach days, and beyond. Ever worry about your valuables when you're out and about? Whether you're at the beach, gym, hotel, or café, leaving your phone, cash, or passport unattended is a recipe for anxiety. Enter the MasterLock 5900D portable safe, your personal security guard in a compact, travel-friendly form. With a customizable combination lock, water-resistant construction, and shock-absorbing foam interior, this mini fortress is built to protect. Plus, its integrated steel cable lets you secure it to fixed objects, ensuring no one walks off with your essentials. Say goodbye to constant paranoia and hello to peace of mind on the go. Unlike flimsy lockboxes that can be pried open with a paperclip, the MasterLock 5900D means serious business. The reinforced cable lock is thick, durable, and coated for extra strength, perfect for securing the safe to tables, lounge chairs, or even your car seat. The set-your-own 4-digit combination means no tiny keys to lose, and the shock-absorbing foam interior protects fragile valuables like sunglasses and electronics. This isn't just a safe, it's a fortress in your backpack, ideal for travelers, students, and anyone who refuses to take chances with their security. Worried about splashes, spills, or sudden rain? No sweat. The water-resistant exterior keeps your valuables dry, making it perfect for poolside relaxation, beach trips, and outdoor adventures. Plus, its rugged build and foam-lined interior cushion your items from bumps and drops, ensuring your phone, jewelry, or credit cards stay pristine. While others stress over lost or damaged belongings, you'll be chilling with confidence, knowing your stuff is safe and sound inside a high-tech, portable vault. Security shouldn't mean sacrificing convenience. This safe comes with a clever cable access port, so you can charge your phone or listen to music while your device stays locked up. Need to store a larger smartphone? No problem. The spacious interior accommodates even bigger models like the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Whether you're at the gym, dorm, or office, you can lock up your valuables without losing access to your favorite devices. It's the perfect mix of security and usability, no more hiding your phone under a towel or worrying about theft. Think of the MasterLock 5900D as insurance for your valuables, a one-time purchase that could save you hundreds, if not thousands, in lost or stolen belongings. Instead of replacing stolen items or dealing with ID theft nightmares, this affordable, durable, and tech-tested safe keeps your essentials locked down and worry-free. Customers rave about its sturdy build, ease of use, and travel-friendly design, making it a must-have for anyone who values security on the go. If you're ready to ditch the stress and level up your personal security, this portable lockbox is the no-brainer solution you've been looking for.